Hello students, how are you all? Fine, very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Korasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, today we are going to learn awareness subject. Okay children, in awareness subject we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Okay, so children, before starting with our today's episode, I am going to ask you few questions. So you have to answer me. Okay, so do you all like to have milkshake? Yes. Do you like to have milkshakes? Yes, very good. Do you like to have juice? Yes, orange juice, mango juice. Yes, very good. Do you like to have jam? Yes, of course, it's your favorite. Jellies? Yes. Fruit custards? Yes. So you like all the things which are made from fruits, yes or no? So children, have you all understood what is our today's content? What is our content related to? Yes, very good, exactly. So today our content we are going to learn, that is related to fruits. Very good. So today we are going to learn about fruits. Okay children, so do you know what are fruits? Yes. Come on, I will show you some fruits. You have to name them, okay? Which fruit is this? Yes, tell me, which fruit is this? See, which it is? Watermelon. Very good. Which fruit is this? Yes, come on, tell me, which fruit is this? Pomegranate. Very good. Now see this. Which fruit is this? Papaya. Very good. Now today we are going to learn the topic which is related to fruits. So now you have to open your awareness skill book, page number 4 to 42. Okay, so have you all opened page number 4 to 42 of your awareness skill book? Yes. So what is the heading? F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. So now fruits with many seeds. So in fruits there are variety of fruits which have many seeds, which have less seeds, that is few seeds. So first we will see the fruits which have many seeds. Okay. So the first one is watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R. Repeat after teacher. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Can you see the seeds which are there in papaya? So what you can do here, you can buy a papaya from the fruit market. You can cut it and you can see how many seeds are there. Okay, there are many seeds in papaya, also in watermelon, in pomegranate there are many seeds. Okay, so one more is this muskmelon. M-U-S-K, musk. M-E-L-O-N, muskmelon. This is kiwi, K-I-W-I, kiwi. So in these fruits you can see many seeds. So these fruits, they are known as fruits with many seeds. Okay children, understood? Now next page you have to turn. Turn the page, that is page number 4343. Now we will see fruits with few seeds. Okay, yes. So teacher will show you some fruits. You have to observe them. Okay, so now we have seen the fruits with many seeds. Can you see the seeds here in the watermelon? Yes, you can see black color seeds are there. Yes or no? So there are many seeds. In papaya also, can you see this green color seeds? Yes. In pomegranate also there are many seeds. Now we will see the fruits which have few seeds. The very first is an apple. You can cut this apple. You can see how many seeds are there. Okay, Yes. So first one is apple. The next one is pear. Okay. Yes. So first one is apple, second one is pear. Also there are some more fruits, they have few seeds. Okay. Yes. So I will show you one more. This is orange. Yes or no? Orange. So children, if you want to see the seeds, which are few seeds in this in this fruits, so you can cut this. I will show you one demo. I will cut this apple and I will show you the seeds. Okay. So children, now I will show you a demo of fruit cutting. Okay. So the very first fruit is an apple. Okay. We will cut this apple and I will show you the seeds. Okay. Yes. Yes. See now, can you see this seed? Black color seeds are there? Yes? Yes. So we can see few seeds in this apple. See here. It is not completely filled with seeds. So this is a few seed fruit. Okay. It has few seeds. So this is a few seed fruit. Like this black color. See, like this black color seeds you can see in the apple. So the apple has few seeds. Now I will show you that is many seeded. Okay. We are going to see now many seeded. Okay. In few seeded, which fruits you have seen just now? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, very good. Few seeded means apple. Okay. Now many seeded example is this pomegranate. See here. I have cut it now. Can you see this? Seeds. See here. All this red color, they are the seeds in the pomegranate. So it has many seeds. Can you see this red color seeds? Yes. So it is a many seeded fruit. See, like this red color, you can see the seeds in the pomegranate. Okay. This is many seeded. Now few seeded is the example, like again grapes. What are these? These are grapes. So you can see few seeds in grapes. Also you can see few seeds in sapodile. Okay, that is sapota, chiku. Yes or no? You can cut the chiku, you can see the seeds. So now open the textbook, page number 4343 of your awareness skill book. Okay. Open the textbook and pay attention on the board. So have you opened 4343 page number? Here are the fruits which have few seeds. The first one is apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. P-E-A-R, pear. Repeat after teacher. S-A-P-O-D-I-double-L-A, sapodilla. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. G-R-A-P-E, grape. So these are the fruits with few seeds. Okay. Now you have to turn the next page of your textbook. That is page number 4444. Now we are going to see the fruits with one seed. Okay. These are the fruits. They have only one single seed in them. Okay. The first one is cherry. Repeat after teacher. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. M-A-N-G-O, mango. P-L-U-M, plum. A-P-R-I-C-O-T, apricot. L-Y-C-H-E-E, lychee. So these are the fruits. They have only one seed in them. While eating these fruits, you will be able to you will come to know, okay, that only one seed is there. While eating the mango, you can see only one seed in it. Yes or no? Yes. So now I will show you the mango fruit. So you will be able to identify how many seeds are there. Yes. See, this is a mango and only one single seed is there in this mango. Okay. Now see this. It is a plum. Okay. It has only one single seed in it. Okay. Now we will see some more fruits. Okay. You have to turn the page. Next page you have to open. Page number 4545. Okay. Now we have seen fruits with few seeds, fruits with many seeds. Now we will see some juicy fruits. Juicy fruits means what? They contain lot of juice in them. Okay. Like lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. Lime means lemon. You can see lemon contains a lot of amount of juice in it. Okay. So this is L-I-M-E. Lime. While preparing sharbat and all, we use this lime juice. Yes or no? So the lime is juicy fruit. Next one is O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. You drink orange juice? Yes or no? Yes. So it contains lot of juice. So we can prepare juice with the help of orange fruit. Next one is pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. We can make pineapple juice also. Yes or no? So this is also a juicy fruit. Next one is pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. Next one is watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. So these all fruits, they contain a lot of amount of juice in them. So these are known as juicy fruits. Okay. Yes. Which fruits they are known as? They are known as juicy fruits. Okay. Now next page we will see the very first thing that we have learned, which it is. Come on, tell me. Yes children, come on, tell me. What we have learned first? Yes, fruits with few seeds, fruits with many seeds, fruits with one seed. Also fruits, now we have seen the juicy fruits. Okay. Now the next is pulpy fruits. We will see some more fruits. They are pulpy fruits. Okay. Pulpy means they have pulp in it. Okay. More pulp, like sapodilla, chiku. Okay. S-A-P-O-D-I-L-L-A. Sapodilla. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Custard apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D-A-P-P-L-E. Custard apple. So these are pulpy fruits. Which fruits these are? Yes, these are pulpy fruits. They contain a more amount of pulp in them. So they are known as pulpy fruits. Now next page you have to open, that is page number 4747. See here, circle the, now here one fun time activity is there. Circle the fruit to make your favorite milkshake and color it. Which is your favorite fruit? You have to circle it first. Now suppose mango. Okay. So you have to circle the mango and you have to color this milkshake. Okay. Yes. So this is for your homework. Write here H.W homework. Okay. Done? Okay. After this, next page you have to turn, that is page number 4848. Yes, open page number 4848. Now we will do here one activity is there. We have to do practice. Circle the things that are made from fruits. Now with the help of fruits, Which things we can make? Come on, tell me. First one is omelette. Can we prepare an omelette with the help of fruits? No. Coffee? No. Jam? Yes. In jam, many types of fruits are used. With the help of fruits, we can make jam. So you have to circle this jam. It is made up of fruits. Yes. So we have to circle jam. Next one is milk. So can you get milk from fruits? No. Jelly? Yes. It is made with fruits. So you have to circle this jelly. It is your favorite, na? Jam, jelly. Yes. It is made up of fruits. Next one is juice. We can make juice from fruits? Yes. Very good. So you have to circle this juice. So children, today which topic we have learned? We have learnt about fruits. We have learnt many types of fruits like many seeded fruits, yes or no? Watermelon, papaya, yes. One seeded fruits like mango, plum, pulpy fruits like banana, custard apple, strawberry, yes or no? Juicy fruits like lime. This is sweet lime, yes or no? Also pomegranate. This is pomegranate, okay? Yes. So today we have learned the topic which is related to fruits, yes or no? So children, you have to eat all types of fruits to keep yourself healthy, to be energetic. You have to eat all type of fruits, okay? Like juicy fruits, pulpy fruits, fruits which have many seeds, fruits with one single seed. So all these fruits you have to eat. So I hope that you all have understood our today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.